favorite cinema hero?
My favorite cinema hero? My favorite hero is Subhash Chandra Bose.
Sir, she asked about cinema hero.
Cinema hero, then Sonu Sood.
But sir, he is a villain.
Oh, Sonu Sood is a villain. Okay, I'll explain. Sonu Sood is a villain on the screen. I mean, he enacts the roles of villain on the screen. There are so many others who are enacting the roles of heroes. Who is a hero? A hero is a person who is having noble intentions and does something good for the society. For me, most of these so-called heroes of today are only real heroes. They are not real heroes. My intention, children, is not to criticize somebody. My intention is to make you understand. If a person plays the role of a hero in a movie, that doesn't mean in real life they are heroes. Their character in the real life can be very different. If a person plays the role of a villain in a movie, the real character of that person can be different. Sonu Sood is a perfect example. As you said, he plays the role of villain, a negative person, evil-minded person in movies. Pasupati, Vadala Bommali, Vadala. But in reality, everybody is able to see today what he is. For the last 4 months or 5 months, he has done yeoman service to the society. He has proved that filmy people have got a character. They have got a human side. He has spent his personal money to help so many of the corona victims. He has provided food to the migrant laborers. He has sent vehicles to transport them from one place to their native place. He has done so many things. Whereas most of the so-called heroes, they are all busy doing nothing. Some of them are coming out with a program called the Green Challenge. Looks funny. Yes, planting trees is very much essential. If you go out and plant 100 or 1,000 trees in public places or private places, it's good for the society. Nobody is questioning that. But if you plant a small herb in your kitchen garden, is it a big service to the society? No. Maybe they are having identity crisis. They want to show that they are also doing something. Actually, this is nothing. I mean, they have got a lot of popularity. If they talk, the message reaches thousands and thousands of people. They can talk something about COVID-19. They can tell that there is no need to fear. I mean, panic is not required. One should be cautious. Maybe they can give an appeal for people who suffered from COVID-19 and recovered to donate their plasma. Earlier years, those heroes, when there were natural calamities, they came forward to help the society. To start with, they used to donate some money, their own money, and then they used to go visit so many places, collect money from the public, used to donate that money for public cause. Today, so many families are in shambles. I have not seen any hero except Sonu Sood coming forward and donating a 1 rupee. There are families, for example, recently in Karnataka, one couple, both of them are doctors, both of them died. Now children have become orphans. There are hundreds of such families. Has a single cinema hero came in support of such like people? No. Whereas now they are busy promoting soft drinks. One hero comes and says, come on, drink this Pepsi, drink this cola, he says. This is the time when people are bothered about their immunity. These soft drinks, they cause so much of harm to the body. They take out calcium, result in D vitamin deficiency. When there is pandemic around, one hero comes out to promote soft drinks. Do you think they're all real heroes? Our movies are full of histrionics. If a hero comes, if he gives a punch, 10 people will fly in air. Is it possible in real life? Possible? A hero can stop a running train with his hand. Is it possible? A aeroplane is flying. One hero can pull it down. Is it possible? All such nonsensical stuff is shown in movies to glorify the heroes. These movies, these heroes, my dear children, understand, take you away from reality. You think that is heroism. You think they are great people. In reality, most of them are not really great. They could be great actors. I am not finding fault with that. They are great actors. If you like their movie, just watch them once. That's it. No need to worship them. No need to think that they are great. There are people, especially teenagers, who adore heroes and who fight for the sake of their hero. Hey, my hero is great. No, you are this way. They fight for the sake of heroes. This hero worship that is there in Indian society should be nipped in butts. Our children should be taught as to who is a real hero. Tell me, who is great? Mahatma Gandhi or any of the present day hero?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Mahatma Gandhi is old. He doesn't have very charming personality. But still, why you like Mahatma Gandhi?
Because he gave us freedom.
Yes, he fought for the sake of our country. He did so many sacrifices. Who looks more beautiful to you? Mother Teresa or any cinema heroine? Whom you like most? Children, Mother Teresa or any of these heroines? You know Mother Teresa? Mother Teresa. Why you like Mother Teresa? Because she did so much of service to the society. She helped poor people. So, you should like those who are doing good to the society. Not the real heroes. Real heroes need not necessarily be real heroes. There are some real heroes who are also real heroes. One example is Sonu Sood. But not all of them. So, don't encourage children, don't let children start worshipping these heroes, my dear parents. Children understood? Whom will you like? Real heroes or cinema real heroes?
Real hero.
Real heroes. Good.